You say you gonna make my old shoes do what? Look new again? I believe it when I see it.
What's going on, YouTube? We're back with another restoration here at the Fountain of Shoeth. It's your boy TJ from BK. Today we got these metallic red Foamposites released in 2012, also released again in 2017. These required an icing job, so I had these in my indoor setup for about 4 days. I have a before picture for you coming up on how they used to look, and these are the results we got. It cleared up pretty good. Still got some soul sauce on them.
Serious?
So we're gonna go ahead and clean these up using our FZ150, our stiff, medium, and soft bristle brush. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't be afraid to comment. Let's get this restoration started. Alright, first things first, I'm gonna get these laces out.
That was easy.
Alright, now that we've got these laces out, we're gonna start on these outsoles using the FZ150 and our stiff bristle brush. Gonna switch to a softer brush, which will be the medium bristle, to get into those grooves that the stiff bristle brush can't reach. Now that we got these outsoles lathered up, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the tongue and the uppers using the soft bristle brush. Alright, now that these metallic red foams from 2012 have been fully cleaned, I'm going to go ahead and rinse these, get all the soap out of the tongue, get all this soap off the outsoles and the sole sauce that was applied during the indoor treatment with the UV light. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and we'll be back with the results for these metallic red Foamposites from 2012. Alright, YouTube, now that those metallic red Foamposites are washed, they're currently drying, and I'm also going to go ahead and wash these laces. I'm going to get our FZ150 on there. Out of experience, some Foamposites tend to come back to that factory icy blue, or get close to that icy blue that they normally have, and sometimes they just clear. I believe that it's because of the type of glue that the factory uses, where it connects those outsoles, those clear outsoles, to the actual shoe, or the midsoles of the shoe. So depending on the glue, also depends on the type of results you get. Sometimes some Foamposites have a yellow colored glue, so you can't remove that unless you remove the glue using acetone altogether and the outsole, and and then put it back together with a clear glue, and then start your icing process that way. So not all the time you'll get that icy blue, but it'll definitely clear up using your soy sauce and your UV light or the sun. So now that these have been soaked up, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them. And then we'll be back after the shoes dry to show you the results I got with my indoor setup after maybe, I think it was about 4 days. I'll have the before and after pics at the end of this video. So we'll be back with the end result to cleaning up those Foamposites after the soy sauce was on it for a couple days after putting it in our UV setup. Stay tuned. We did an outsole cleaning. We did the uppers, we did the midsoles. Put them in our UV setup with the soy sauce. And we got these cleared up.
Good job.
It looks a lot better than the yellowing that it had before again. We have ourselves another
flawless victory.
definitely a wearable pair of Foamposites.
Perfect.
Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy TJ from BK. Don't be afraid to comment. Until next time.